Welcome to our comprehensive guide on understanding FSA deductions on your final paycheck. This topic is particularly relevant during times of significant company changes, like a sale. Let's break down the essentials together. In today's video, we'll cover essential FSA basics, address key questions regarding deductions, explore what happens with unspent funds, and the legal aspects surrounding these situations. Additionally, we'll provide further resources for in-depth understanding and a disclaimer for context. First, let's dive into the basics of flexible spending accounts, or FSAs. An FSA allows employees to set aside money for healthcare or dependent care expenses before taxes. You decide how much money you want to set aside annually, and this amount is deducted from your paycheck throughout the year. This mind map provides a visual representation of these foundational concepts. One of the pressing questions when it comes to FSA deductions on a final paycheck is whether or not you've already spent the funds. If you have, generally, the employer cannot deduct the full elected amount from your final paycheck because you've already been reimbursed for those expenses. Keep this key point in mind as it will affect how your FSA is handled. Next, let's consider the scenario where you have unspent funds in your FSA at the time of your employment termination. Some FSA plans adhere to a use it or lose it rule, meaning any unspent funds don't roll over. It's vital to check your FSA plan documents to see how this applies to your situation. Legal aspects around FSAs can often be complex. The legality of deductions generally depends on whether you've used the funds and the specific rules of your FSA plan. The IRS sets regulations for FSAs, and your plan must comply with these rules. It's wise to confirm with your former employer that their deductions align with both IRS guidelines and your plan specifics. For those looking to dive deeper, tax guides and your specific FSA plan documents will be invaluable. Consider professional advice as well to navigate any complexities specific to your circumstances. Let's have a quick quiz. What should you check if you have unspent funds in your FSA on termination? Is it your FSA plan documents? Nothing needs to be checked? Or should you ask the IRS directly? You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and we'll discuss it in the next section. The correct answer is to check your FSA plan documents. They outline the specific rules and can clarify any potential outcomes for unspent funds. In summary, understanding your FSA can be crucial during company changes. Make sure spent funds don't result in deductions, verify the policies around unspent funds within your plan, and ensure your employer adheres to IRS rules. It's essential to include a disclaimer in our discussion. This information is intended for general educational purposes and is not legal advice. Always review your specific plan documents and seek professional advice if necessary. Thank you for tuning in to our video. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Share your thoughts in the comments below.